Hey friends, I am Mike Harmon and this is HLModTech. HLModTech is where I use my skills to train you using videos for all kinds of STEM activities. I teach programming, computer-aided design, things with the Arduino, just about anything that you've ever wanted to learn with technology, I teach a little bit of it. So sit back, relax, enjoy the cool training. As you learn from me, if there's something that you'd like me to teach, please add it in the comments down below. Also, if you'd like to stay up to date, check that little notification button up there so you'll be the first to receive the new content that I upload. Please have fun, enjoy, learn, use that growth mindset so that you can continue to become the most awesome you can be. And if you get a chance, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.